friend of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy section. Then select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like location. Then select an app. I will go with maybe Snapchat and tap on one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while in use, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back and swipe up, as though you can see, Snapchat just gained access to this device location. But you can always go back, tap on any feature, and then select one of your apps, like App Gallery. Now you need to click on See All App Gallery Permissions instead, and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!